Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fandabby dozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, and today I'm going to share with you my birthday Pressies from a couple of weeks ago. I've got to admit, I nearly forgot how to intro after all of that Vlogmas and not doing my usual spiel, like, if you enjoy my videos, please do give them the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and ring my bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now that all felt pretty weird and pretty alien after... what is it? We're on the 28th today, so it's only 4 weeks. It's only been 4 weeks since I've done an intro like that, and yeah, I feel all of a tears, Anyway, it was my birthday a couple of weeks ago. You know that if you watch my Vlogmas, because it was in my Vlogmas. But because of Vlogmas, I wasn't able to do a proper sit down. Here we go. This is what I got for my birthday. So I do not have the space here to share everything with you, for it is a small room. It is mine. It is all mine, but it is a small room. So I'm going to go and lay everything out on our bed, and then it'll be much easier for me to show you everything. If you've been with me for a while, then you should know this by now. This is not meant to be a braggadocious, ooh, look at me, look at what I've got. It is... this video is to share with you what I received for my birthday. Most of us do get birthday presents. Most of us are interested in what other people get for their birthdays. So that's what this is. This is, I'm fortunate, I know I'm fortunate, I'm extremely fortunate. These are the lovely things that I received from the lovely people in my life, and I would like to share them with you lovely people. If anything, I get a little bit embarrassed at some of the things I have. Okay, this is definitely easier than me trying to hold things up individually and make a bit of space in my room. I've laid things out here. This isn't everything I got for my birthday, but these are like the main things I got for my birthday. Some of the other things, like the Jaffa cakes, I've already smashed through those. We also have a little Daisy in attendance. You can see I've got a really good light going on here. So the first thing is my pair of little LED light stands, which are absolutely fantastic. So these are some gifts from some friends of ours that dropped them off on the doorstep and ran away. There was a 5-pack of these. I wore the grey ones yesterday. These cute little cat socks. I was going to wear these pink ones today to go with my, yes, I'm back in my flamingo PJ bottoms, but I'm too warm to wear them at the moment, so I might pop those on a bit later. That's why they're out of the packet. They also gave me this wonderful book with a little pen attached. This is by Sarah Miller. I've had a couple of her things before, really cute designs, and this one is going to be perfect to keep by the bed because the kittens aren't going to be able to knock the pen on the floor. It's attached. They also gave me this really huge asymmetric, I'll show you what this is like on, but it's super fluffy, super soft, really soft, lovely. So this is the big super soft kind of blanket scarf from our friends. You can see it's asymmetric. It's kind of like it's cut on the diagonal rather than on the flat, and as I said, it is super snuggly. I've worn this out when we went to drop off their Christmas presents on their doorstep. I was wearing a cardie, my big bobble cardie, and it did leave a lot of fluff on there, so I don't know if I should put this through the washing machine to try and get rid of some of that excess fluff to start off with. We'll go over to what hubby gave me, which includes the LED lights. There may be something you were expecting to see that you can't see here, so I will talk about that a little bit later. But first up, gimbal. Oh, look at this amazing gimbal. This is for smartphones. It's got this attachable stand there, and I'm completely out of my depth with this. I've used it a couple of times, but I really need to read the instructions and spend a bit of time navigating it, but it's really fantastic. Hubby got me a spare battery for my camera and a charger, which is excellent. And although when he saw this on my luxury birthday and Christmas wish list, he said, "Oh, don't like it," he bought it for me, and I've worn it out a couple of times before lockdown. It's got this little splash of neon, and it's got the lovely Longchamp racehorse icon there. I really like the design, the black and white, again monogram. I don't know what's going on with me, but really love this. And this other thing, this exciting looking piece here, this is my new Alexander McQueen scarf, and we bought this from a trusted seller on Facebook who I've bought a few Alexander McQueen silk scarves from before, and this thing is just phenomenal. Look at the sheen on it. It kind of makes me think of the Louis Vuitton shine and the Gucci kind of soft shine scarves. I'll show you what this looks like on. It is absolutely phenomenal. See how soft and gentle it is, and just how massive it is. Look, it's basically the size of a bed throw or something. It's ridiculously huge. Look, it is just, and it is this soft, it's almost satiny in how it feels on my skin. It's just amazing. Alright, I'm going to try and wear it as an actual scarf now. So it's super huge, but because the fabric is so fine, you can easily wear it just as a scarf. It feels like it weighs, I mean, it's got a weight to it. It's got a reassuring weight to it. It doesn't feel like air, but when you see how big it is, you just wear it like a normal scarf. It's absolutely glorious. And I love the sort of silver grey on one side, and then the sort of darker gunmetal grey on the other. And then with the Alexander McQueen there on the bottom. Personally, I think it looks fabulous with my flamingos. So I just wanted to demonstrate again just how vast this scarf is. It is phenomenal. And we got it for, what was it, £120 or something? Absolutely ridiculous. It's got all the original labels attached, and then it's clearly gone into a sale somewhere. Look! I can't fit it all on screen. Maybe I could do a Tanya bits and bags kind of thing. It might be a bit too big for that, but maybe I could do a whole dress. Whole dress out of it. Tell me this isn't bougie. Now the kittens bought me a charm for my Pandora charm bracelet. Focus. And it's this cute little kitten. Aww. Now hubby did say that they considered the fact that I don't particularly like dangly things on my wrist, but this could actually be used as a pendant. It could be used as, I mean, I could put a little clip on it, use it as a bag charm or anything. I've put it on here. I want to rearrange my Pandora bracelet charms. If you would like an in-depth of what my Pandora charms are and what they mean to me video, then leave a comment in the comment section down below. Yeah, everything's got a meaning on here, which I suppose is the whole point of charm bracelets. I got this amazing cat David Bowie t-shirt from my sister-in-law, and two of my favourite things, the mighty David Bowie and Pussycats. Yeah, so cool, super cool, really love this print. And she also sent me this pencil case with, I really like this this motto on it. This is the story I want to write with my new pencil case. I love pencil cases, I love the colour of this. Can't get enough of pencil cases. And very cleverly, inside, she included a Clarins eye makeup remover. And because we are where we are, and we're washing our hands all the time, she sent me this lovely hand cream. It sounds absolutely gorgeous. From my lovely mother-in-law, I got this Leopard selection pack of hot chocolate. And this is very good because I have come very close to running out of my luxury hot chocolate because I have been drinking it and using it as sprinkles on my cappuccino. And she also sent me these two things, which apparently I have read the instructions on. All you have to do is heat up some milk, pop these in the milk, and then just keep stirring and pop the marshmallows on top. So those are really interesting. A latte macchiato and a caramel vanilla. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Got this massive box of Monty Bojangles, scrumdiddlyumptious. You've seen these socks. I showed you these socks. Look at them. Look at how sparkly they are. I showed you these socks in one of my dress-up vlogs, where hubby did not approve of the use of these with sandals. With my lovely, lovely Sam Edelman high-heeled sandals. I've got this book, Leopard is neutral. Perstopia had this and she showed this on her Instagram, and I thought, well, I mean, Leopard is neutral is kind of my style motto, if you like. So I thought I have to have that. They also were the ones that got me this limited edition Christmas Gucci lipstick, which I'll try and show you without ruining anything. This is the fuchsia, the Vuitton fuchsia, and it is phenomenal. Again, I showed you this in one of my dress-ups in my vlog, so you've already seen what that looks like on me. My little sister is quite good at being sneaky. She asked me what my favourite Jo Malone fragrance was, and I did say it was Pomegranate Noir, but I also said that I find that it doesn't last particularly well on me. She found this. This is a Federico Mahora perfume. It is called 905, and this smells pretty much identical to Pomegranate Noir, but this lasts. And I have been wearing this quite a little bit. You can see I've already used up quite a little bit of it. These gorgeous Steve Madden trainers or sneakers with the leopard print. Oh my gosh, these are so fresh, so gorgeous. I haven't worn these outside yet because I've only been outside a couple of times since my birthday. But I've tried them on and you can see I've mooched around the house with them. They have this gorgeous little Steve Madden plate here and a little Steve Madden button at the back. And they are fantastic. I just love these. Cat paper clips. Fantastic. Going to be using those in my YouTube planner and my agenda. Wonderful. And these, which are magnetic, as the name would suggest, you pop them on and then when to release them you push them on the bum. Now she had an idea that we'd use these on the fridge, but I have actually got a little magnetic whiteboard in my office, so I'm probably going to use those in there so I can look at them all the time and I can play with them. Now come on, we all know about these. Winnie B, LV, my sister from another mister hit me with these Steve Madden absolute beauties, and I have worn these out once and they are so comfortable, and I am just still utterly gobsmacked that she sent me these. Oh look, yeah, a little bit dirty. I just still can't believe it. I still can't get over it. It's just, wow, what a generous gift. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. When I laid all of my birthday stuff out on the bed before and said this is what spoilt looks like, there was a little package that was from my mum that I hadn't opened yet because we were doing a Zoom call and I wanted to open it with her on the Zoom call. And it was this. She sent me Coco, Eau de Parfum, Chanel, and just look at this bottle. How beautiful is it? I've worn this a couple of times as well, and this makes me feel very luxurious, very bougie, knocking around the house in my PJs or a caftan. Yes please. Spicy cocoa, absolutely gorgeous. Mum actually watched my video and then she contacted hubby and said, does she have this? And he said, well, she's not got it on her official wish list to share with the family. And the reason I didn't put it on my official wish list to share with the family is because it's expensive, and I know it's expensive, and I always try and find stuff that is affordable to put on my wish list for family and friends, because otherwise it's ridiculous. And these last two pieces here, you know, I bought these for myself. So this is the Chanel lip ink. This is not the Fusion, which is what I said in my initial video. It's not the Fusion, it is just the lip ink. But this is in Amaru. It'll be linked down below, but it is what I'm wearing today. And the other item that I bought myself for my birthday, happy birthday to me from me, is the Louis Vuitton desk agenda, which you can see I have not yet had the opportunity to play with. But I've given myself a deadline of New Year's Eve to get into this at the same time as I set up my agenda and change over the calendars in the kitchen and do all of that kind of prep for 2021, which is gonna be a good year, yes. So this is not everything, but it is, if you like, my highlights. And as I said, I've already eaten and or drunk lots of other Pressies. This had been on my wish list for a couple of years. It's this big slab of two-tone marble, 2 slabs of marble put together. And it is really, really heavy. It is capable of holding these Costco-sized portions of cheese. Another thing I nearly forgot from my birthday. Oh, because it's already up and in place, is this pretendy neon light. It doesn't get hot or anything, so it's safe to be close to my bags. And it is, I don't know what it is, but it's not neon, but it looks like neon. And hello, rainbow, all of the colours, me, neon, StyledByGwenny. Yes, please. I think Winnie would like one of those as well. So as you know, hubby bought me lots of equipment for my vlogging and for my YouTubing and all of that kind of stuff, for which I am very, very grateful. I'm also very grateful to him for supporting what I'm doing here. It does take up a lot of time, especially Vlogmas took up a lot of time. And although I was able to film what I was doing as I was doing it, so that in itself didn't take up a lot of time. It was all the editing and things, because you end up with like 2 hours of footage and you've got to cut it down to something a little bit more manageable. So thank you, baby. Mwah. You're my biggest fan. Okay, so the thing that you may have been expecting to see is an Alexander McQueen skull bag, which was high on my list of priorities on my luxury wish list. Hubby bought it for me. It came near the end of November. We had a quick check of the returns policy and it was 2 weeks. Hubby wanted me to wait until my actual birthday, but I said, look, you know, if I wait until my birthday and we open it, there's something wrong with it or whatever, then we're outside of the returns time frame. So we got it out and it was beautiful. So beautiful. The colours, the skull with the crystals in the eyes. The reason that I don't have it in my possession now, though, is the chain was just too short to wear comfortably crossbody. And I thought, I'm going to want to wear a jacket. I'm going to want to wear my leather jacket with this. I might want to wear a bigger coat. And if I can't get it comfortably crossbody now, then I know I'm not going to end up using it. Because, yeah, fine, I'll use it as a clutch, maybe. Well, actually, definitely. I would definitely use it as a clutch. But there will always be that one point in the evening where I go crossbody, hands-free. Anyway, all my YouTube equipment and everything was supposed to be for Christmas, but because the McQueen bag had to go back and it got a bit too close, hubby was getting a little bit nervous about trying to order something to come in time for my birthday. And so he said, okay, what I'm going to have to do now is I'm going to bring your Christmas presents over to your birthday and then you're going to have your Christmas present. He said, make it good, make your choice good, because it'll be the only present you get. He really wanted me to pick something big to be a replacement. I said, I don't want a it's a nightmare because I know these things are expensive and I don't expect anyone to buy them for me. I expect me to buy them for me when I am in a position to do so. It's not anyone else's fault. I've got expensive taste, let's face it. Anyway, I realised that there was a brand in particular that I'd been looking at for years and years and years, and in particular the same products that I've been looking at for years and years and years and years. So I gave hubby a list and said I would not be unhappy with any of these. And you will get to see in my next video, which will be my what I got for Christmas video, what I did end up with. I'm very happy indeed. Anyway, I didn't want this to be too long, so I'm going to say goodbye there. Thank you very much for watching. So if you did enjoy this video, please do give it the thumbs up love, hit the subscribe button, ring my bell, yada yada yada, you know the drill. And I will see you for the next video. In the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!